Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting and rapidly developing fields of technology, which is artificial intelligence. In today's video, we would be talking about the new OpenAI tool, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, a research organization focused on creating and promoting friendly AI that benefits humanity. It is a state-of-the-art conversational AI system that is capable of generating human-like text in response to any prompt. ChatGPT was trained on a massive corpus of text data collected from the internet, which includes books, articles, and websites. During the training process, the model learned patterns in the data, including patterns in grammar, vocabulary, and style.
One of the key strengths of ChatGPT is its ability to generate text that is not only relevant but also contextually appropriate. For example, if the model is asked a question about a specific topic, it will generate a response that is relevant to that topic. This allows ChatGPT to generate text that is not only informative but also engaging, making it well-suited for a wide range of applications.
The future of ChatGPT and AI language models more broadly is likely to be shaped by a number of trends and technological advancements. Some of the key areas of focus in the development of AI language models in the future include increased sophistication. As AI technology continues to advance, language models will become increasingly sophisticated and capable of handling more complex tasks and generating more human-like text. Personalization. AI language models will be trained on more personal and specific data, allowing them to generate text that is tailored to individual users and their unique needs and preferences. Integration with other technology. AI language models will likely be integrated with other technologies, such as voice recognition and natural language processing, to create more seamless and intuitive conversational experiences.
Broader applications. AI language models will be applied in a wider range of industries, including finance, healthcare, and education, to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and enhance the user experience. Overall, the future of chat and AI language models is exciting and holds great potential for transforming the way we interact with technology and each other.
ChatGPT, as a state-of-the-art conversational AI system, can be used in a variety of applications, including customer service, technical support, conversational AI, content generation, language translation, personalization, research and development, and many more. To access ChatGPT, go to chat.openai.com to get started. Additionally, you can access pre-trained versions of ChatGPT and other AI language models through the Hugging Face Transformers library. This library provides pre-trained models that can be fine-tuned for specific tasks, such as question answering or text classification.
Visit chat.openai.com to get started. Thanks for watching.